So I'm up. Do you guys ever, like, when you have to get up really early, subconsciously, you think that your alarm isn't going to wake you up? And you keep having, like, little mini dreams that you're, like, way oversleeping? So then you just, like, can't fucking sleep all night, and you wake up way too early? That's me right now. Hello. Here's my boy. You're really handsome. You want the belly rub, you're the belly rub boy. The belly rub boy. Alright guys, we are on our way to Two-Faced. Woo! Luke with all his fucking pills because he got beat up.
Yeah.
At least your face isn't so swollen anymore. Yeah, the other day, he didn't want to get it on the vlog, but I'm still going to put him on the spot. The other day, he was down in Pacific Beach. Some guy tried to steal his phone, and
Which
yeah.
he didn't.
Well, just wait. I'm about to give you credit. Some guy tried to steal his phone and then, like, literally beat the shit out of him and broke his collarbone and, yeah, like
Almost broke my neck.
Almost broke his neck and, yeah, just beat the shit out of him. But technically, homeboy didn't fucking win because Luke kept his phone. So.
Yeah. Now I'm just gonna owe a bunch of money in fucking hospital bills.
Yeah, they took him to the hospital in an ambulance. So, fuck, dude, that's gonna be like $5,000 alone.
Yeah. Fuck it, whatever. I'm alive, so.
He ain't no bitch!
I ain't no bitch.
Titties! Are you excited?
Yeah, I don't show it very much right now.
Oh, snap. We are walking into Two-Faced right now. What? Hi. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Is it okay to vlog in here?
Yes, it's
Okay, cool.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a so different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say.
Our inspirational stare, so it's really how Jared sees makeup. So makeup is all about, it gives you the power to really express yourself.
Baby, don't know how you making me feel this way, what can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win.
This is our selfie room / our Damn Girl room. So Damn Girl is obviously such a huge thing for us. We're so proud of the launch. It's such an incredible product. This was actually part of the set for the shoot for Damn Girl. So what we did is
moved it in here.
Yeah, we created like a space for it. You know, we
That's
figured
awesome.
it'll be around mirrors.
That is a serious light.
Bare minimum. They didn't even feng shui it.
Oh my
It
gosh.
literally, there was
That is scary.
there was a point in time where it was like a massive like freaking forest in there. Like they had feng shuied this whole space for the spider, but it kept dying. So I guess this is a new one.
This cool little spider. Big ass motherfucker.
This is what I do, you guys.
Mm-mm.
And,
That's scary.
Not doing
I
nothing.
don't do spiders.
I love that you're like you zoom in and then you're like no, and that's not it. Yeah, guys, I feng shuied it for us.
Oh my gosh, this is awesome.
So it's you, Carl.
This wallpaper. I need this wallpaper in my life.
Those little hearts. See? It's a little heart.
Now that's gonna be the sweetest cup of tea.
So we just finished our tour at Two Face. We got a bunch of shit. We got some stuff for you, Nick. Even though you lost your phone or you got your phone stolen, you couldn't come this time, but they want you to come back, so we're gonna bring you back later. Luke's over here trying to open the door.
Open it!
Stop! I gotta open my purse and I'm doing something right now. Calm down. They were seriously so nice. Like, all of this stuff is new for me. I'm not used to getting all of this, like, free stuff. And they're just like, yes, take it.
Take it all.
And I'm just like, say no more, fam. It was really amazing, and I'm so grateful that I got to come here. Sounds like we're going to be coming back with Nick later, and we're actually going to go meet up with him right now.
Yes. Sorry for the stairs. Girl, you should see me walking in these in my 6-inch heels.
Oh my
And then I'm
god.
like, wait, I forgot something.
We're
That's
with
awful.
Nick.
Hey guys, I'm so excited. Okay, so she was really excited to try my favorite Pad Tai place that I'm obsessed with.
But then you said there's fucking peanut nonsense in it. It's gross.
Well, she didn't even know what it was, I guess, because it's a Thai peanut sauce, which is the best thing
I just always see
ever.
him putting it on Instagram, so I'm just like, fuck, it has to be good because he eats it like 7
Well,
times a
it
day.
is so good, and I'm so curious to see if you would still just like it.
Oh my god, okay, we'll try it.
Should we do it?
We'll try it.
Let's do it.
Okay, first we're gonna see if my Google Pixel has arrived. I'm gonna try switching to that, even though I know it's probably gonna.
It's stupid.
I know. Okay, well, give me another $1,000 for a fucking iPhone.
Whatever.
But yeah, so we can just, whenever we need to go, we can just like walk, which is really cool.
Walk? I'm not walking in these fucking heels. We're driving.
Whatever, it's like right here.
I'm gonna die though.
These boots don't make fun.
These aren't.
You're like, actually, yeah.
See, Luke, why don't you do this? Picking all the
There's
hairs off of
all
me.
over you. You just see it and not say anything?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Shady. Just kidding. Oh, it's so nice, you guys. I love this.
You love everything.
I'm not everything.
I hate everything.
I don't love. What don't I love? Really shitty, not pigmented eyeshadows. Dusty eyeshadows, right?
There you go. Okay, so we are here at his favorite Pad Tai place, and
We're doing it.
I'm about to try this nonsense.
So it's good if you just like.
See, it looks good when you do that.
Yeah, when you mix it up, you gotta put this shit all over it. Gotta double fist it. Oh yeah. going in, and you just turn it. Or you, like if you guys know how to bake, it's like folding. Where you just fold it in at the end. Fold in. Okay, these green onions have to go, girl.
Oh my god.
I'm about to sue someone.
Stop.
Ew, don't eat it off the table. Ratchet. Okay, bitch, put this in your mouth.
Okay. I'm scared. This is gonna be a
Be
mess.
afraid. Be very afraid.
They're really hot. Hold on.
What do you think?
Not as bad as I thought, but it's not my shit.
But it's not your shit. So now we just have tons of Pad Tai.
Oh god, it was really hot.
What up? It's my favorite thing ever. Next time you tell me I can't take that dick, watch this video.
To the shitty skate park.
It's not a shitty skate park. It's a cool skate park.
Van Margera wasn't there, so it's a shitty skate park.
Cinnamon French vanilla, what's poppin'? Primo.
One of us just got called cinnamon or French vanilla. I don't know which one is which.
I don't know which one it was.
I have no idea.
So I don't remember anything after that. But my friend, I was with my friend's girlfriend at the time. He was around the corner smoking a cigarette.
Right.
And so she said I fought back, but I don't like. I imagine I was pretty dazed, and I'd like.
Dude, I am sorry that happened.
No, that's fine. I mean, technically it's my first loss, so I mean, it's bound to happen sooner or later.
So we were on the beach, and now we're at dinner with my cousin Lynne. Lynne! She doesn't want to be on camera.
Yeah, like today, I was so nervous because like
I had to put my hair up because the beach fucked up my hair.
Like I had to go pick up my car at my friend's house. I didn't want to get towed.
God, it hurts me to what you do. It's so perfect too. That's the best.
Getting great footage. You're ugly! Wow.
Should have said anal.
That was rude, JC. Fucking can't focus like dude.
Alright, so we are back from LA, and this is everything that I got from Too Faced. The only thing missing is a foundation that I gave to my cousin Lynne, which you guys just saw a little bit earlier in the video. So first here we have their brand new palette, Natural Lust. This packaging is like to die. It's so good. Their Chocolate Soleil bronzer. We have Born This Way concealer, hangover 3-in-1 setting spray, primer and setting spray. Do You primer. Their Do You line is amazing, and I actually used this the other day and it worked very well. Then their hangover replenishing face primer. So I guess this is a priming spray, and then this is just an actual primer. Then we got Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duo. I used this the other day. Super pretty. It's like peachy tones that I'm really into lately. Their Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. I actually have one of these, so I'm going to be giving this one away. Peach Blur Translucent. Well, I can never say translucent right. Like, it's always fucked up. Translucent Smoothing Finish Powder. So, funny thing with this guy is I actually got one of these from Kristen before, and I thought it was blush because when you open it up, it's super pink, but then thinking it's blush, and then literally, like, no color comes off on your brush. So, I just put it in the giveaway pile because I'm just like, this thing fucking sucks. It does not work. But I was wrong. It didn't come with the whole packaging. It was like just the actual item, which on the front of the actual item it doesn't say what it was. So I'm an idiot. I didn't look at the back of it. I thought it was bad blush that just didn't fucking work. But it's powder. I was using it wrong, so now I'm gonna have to give it a second chance. More of their bronzer. This is the matching bronzer to this collection right here. And then we got their new Damn Girl mascara. I tried this one the other day. Normally, I get mascara that runs a little bit under my eyes, and this one did not do it all fucking day. This is great. Another bronzer. Then we got their Born This Way powder. I wear their foundation every single day. This is what I use on clients as well, so I was really excited to try this powder. I actually did the other day, and it worked pretty well. More bronzer. A compact powder. I used this under my eyes the other day. I wish I had a lighter color of this because I could highlight with it instead of using my MAC powder to highlight under my eyes. But it does work pretty good. And then lastly, their Sweet Peach palette, which smells like peaches. It does, and it's fucking amazing. And then this actually comes with, let me show you. I'll put the camera down for a second. So this cute little bag came with this. Like, how cute is this? I can't wait to put this in my hair for a photo. So good. So that is it for everything that I got from Too Faced. And they actually just let me request a bunch of more items. Like, who the fuck do I think I am right now? Like, this is fucking crazy. What the fuck did I do to deserve this? I am so fucking grateful. This is amazing.